Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always learn a ton from you. So what am I going to learn today? What are we doing?
Okay, so we're making some date bran muffins.
Okay.
Always great to try to get more fiber into your diet, and this way we're kind of sneaking it in there with a little sweet treat. So muffin for breakfast, muffin for dessert, muffin for a snack. So you can do a lot of different things with these. And then also, if you don't love dates, you could substitute some other dried fruit, like apricots or raisins or dried cherries or cranberries, something like that. Okay, so we're starting with some whole wheat flour.
All right.
And we're just putting in some date cereal, like Bran cereal. Yes.
That's right. I could answer that one. I was ready to help.
What is date cereal?
Tell me more.
Okay, and so these are some chopped dates, actually chopped dates.
Okay.
And these are just going to get tossed together. Oh, and a little bit of brown sugar. We're using 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and of course you can find the recipe on the website.
Okay.
And this is just the easiest recipe, especially once you have it all measured out, once you have all of your things in place. A pinch of salt.
Okay.
A little bit of baking soda. No, I'm sorry, this is baking powder.
Okay.
And again, toss this around.
So this is mostly, if not all, I'm trying to regroup here, that it's your dry ingredients you're mixing together first.
Right.
Okay.
And we are just gonna go straight in with our liquid ingredients. So we have some avocado oil, some oat milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you want, some applesauce. That's going to give us, that's why we didn't use very much brown sugar. We only use that 1/3 cup because we're using applesauce, which makes a great sweetener.
Okay.
And some eggs. And so this is just going to get all mixed together.
Okay. And the applesauce is more of a natural sweetener, being the apples versus the brown sugar. Is that kind of why you're breaking it up?
I mean, it just has a lot less sugar per volume.
Okay.
You know, like 1 tablespoon of applesauce is going to have a lot less sugar than 1 tablespoon of brown sugar.
Oh, see, didn't know that. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so this is again a very easy stir together recipe. We didn't even have to really beat the eggs first. Just give that a very good stir.
It together.
And then we have our muffin pan pre-greased.
Okay.
So you can do that with some of the pan spray, but this time we just actually used a little bit of canola oil in the pan and rubbed it around with a paper towel.
And you're just scooping them up like you would.
Right. These are just getting filled 2/3, 3/4, something like that.
And then you're sticking them in the oven for how long?
I think they are going to bake about 30 minutes. I can't remember off the top of my head. But
that's okay.
Any quick bread, 20, 25, 30 minutes, something like that.
And you do the toothpick and it tells you?
Yes. And you do the pick.
It's one of the only things I think I've always remembered is that's how you can check it if you don't remember for sure. Perfect. Okay, my turn to try them, which is always my favorite part.
Yes. And so the dates offer some natural sweetness too. So if they are a little sweet for your taste, then that's why you might add in like the apricots or dried cherries.
Okay, because it wouldn't be as sweet.
Right.
No, they're really good.
Great.
I mean, I would totally think it's a fun snack, but like you said, you're sneaking in some fiber for better, healthy alternatives. That's why we're here. All right, thank you, Chef Val. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.